Hey, this is Tim. 2015 Buick Enclave. Doing the high pressure fuel pump. We got a cold P228C. This scanner really don't show you, but I know from experience the P228C, if you look it up, it's a fuel sender unit, but 99.9% of the time it's the high pressure fuel pump ain't putting out enough, and it'll make it idle like crap, like this one is, just spitting and sputtering. So this is the high pressure fuel pump. On this is a 3.6 V6, and you just pretty much take your breather off right here. That's all. Just take your breather off right there. You have a little cover with a 110 millimeter holding a little dust cover over the pump, and you got two 10 millimeter bolts on it. Of course, you got to unplug it down here. Down there, you'll unplug it, and then we'll take the bolts off here in just a second. Get that. All right, this is gonna be a 17. Undo your top one real quick. Just kind of let some of the pressure off of it. Then you got one down here too. Just kind of undo it. They shouldn't be too terribly tight. Okay, like I said, the lines are 17. Make sure you take this one off too on the top. It's this one. Goes right there on the top like that. Let's take it off to get it out of your way. Then we're going to have to take this bracket off. This top line here is welded to it, so we're going to take this top line off, which is a 15 here, and I can't really show you with one hand, but you're going to take just a 10 millimeter and your 1/4 inch ratchet, and you're going to go right up under here like that, and you got to feel for it. And that's how you're going to get that bottom one. Okay, your next step is going to be taking off this 15, which is down, if I can show you, down right there. It's going to loosen, after you loosen these 3 bolts right here in the middle for your water jacket. You're going to loosen that one up and take the, so you can loosen the hose up and pull it out of your way. And I'll show you that here in just a second. I can get you like this. It's a 15, like I said. It's going to be that one right down there, up underneath the hose. It's going to hold that bracket on. You're going to have to get that off so you can move this whole thing. Like I said, it's a 15, like everything else. Be about finger tight now, and I'm going to move it. I should be able to move this hose enough to get that 10 millimeter underneath. You can break it loose. You can break it loose with a little socket and a little ratchet, but it's about impossible to get the bolt all the way out. This is just simply ain't enough room. So let me pull this bolt out. Okay, once you move the hose, or with the thermostat housing anyway, out of your way, just kind of get you a deep 10. Just kind of go up underneath there, and you'll get it out. Kind of get it a little bit at a time. This one's almost out. It's almost fingered. I'm gonna get it with my fingers, so I'll pull this out here in just a second. Okay, it's about finger tight now. I'll loosen that up a little bit. See if we can't pull that out. Alright, there you go. The high pressure pump. Bottom bolt's pain in the butt. Like I said, you gotta undo that little bracket down there. Move this thermostat housing out of your way, and you'll get it. Okay, this is the new one. Put your gasket on there, put your bolts through there, so it kind of holds your gasket on. Of course, take your line covers off. You can do that whenever you get it on, it don't matter. This one came with new screws, which is nice, but it will not come with a new cam. Right, this goes, we're gonna clean it up, but it goes, of course, like this on here. and this rides on the cam. So you'll push it up through there like this. We're gonna clean this one up, which it goes through there like that. Going it like that. Okay, now run like a champ. Whoa, it ain't idle. Had a rough idle. So if you experience that cold, go ahead and don't worry about no fuel pressure sensor or anything like that. Go ahead and change your high pressure fuel pump. And thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.